Hey, what is going on YouTube? Caleb here, back again with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a ghost with a Juul or any other vape. And yeah, that's about it. So this isn't just a regular Juul pod. This Juul pod actually has dab pen juice in it because the pen that I had ended up stopped working. But you can still do it with regular vape juice either way. So what you want to do is when you inhale, instead of trying to inhale like a cigarette and go straight to your throat, inhale it inside your mouth only. So just pull, but don't suck any air. So you go like this. So I inhaled it, but I didn't let it go on my throat. I just kept it in my cheeks. So after you inhale it in your mouth, what you want to do is put your cheeks like a bubble like this, and you just compress it into a ball from doing that. And after you compress it, you want to open your mouth and do a soft push from right here so that the ball slowly comes out. And once the ball comes out and you can see it or you can feel it out, you just suck back in that same direction with the same little hole like part you used to press. But just try it. I'll do it slow for you guys so you guys can do it with me. Just like that. And then once you get better at it, you guys will be able to do it like this. That one wasn't that good. I'll get the other pod. That one's almost out, so is this one. But yeah guys, keep on practicing. That's basically all you need to do to like know how to do a ghost inhale. So keep practicing. Make sure you guys let me know if you enjoy videos like this, like vape videos, in the comments description below, and let me know if this tutorial works for you guys. Thank you. This is Caleb. Peace out.